Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. AliShanMao here. This little J11 fighter RC jet should be fun to fly. It has a built-in gyro, so it's supposed to be very user-friendly, beginner-friendly. Well, we're gonna see it very soon. It has EPP material, which is very durable, and they also says that it has aerobatic capabilities, and they also claim that it has plenty of flight time. Anyway, I did bring some extra batteries because I wanted to enjoy this thing. So let's quickly unbox it, prepare it, fly it, and see how good it is. So here is the XKJ11. They also have a SU-27, which I also ordered and just got shipped. And it should be, I mean, except the body difference, the rest of the things should be the same. So here we have the beautiful J11. Awesome, man, very nice. And I believe they do have the landing gears as well, so we're gonna find out. We also have the USB dongle, I mean the charger for USB, for your battery through USB. And we have this little familiar XK radio. Alright, so landing gears are here with extra props. Now, these are dual motor planes, okay? So basically they do not have any ailerons. They turn with the differential thrust, okay? And they don't have rudder either because they have differential thrust, which is more efficient. I do see they have servo for elevator only. Nice. So elevator and turning through differential thrust. Very nice. Let's prepare it. Let's fly it. Connect the battery. The thing I like about it is that it doesn't turn on instantly after connecting the battery because there is an on-off switch, which is a good thing. So battery fits nice and good. Alright, now turn on the radio and the plane. Put it down. Okay, I see the elevators working. This, they call it rudder, this top button, but I believe that is dual rates. Okay, let's fly. I hope we can turn nicely. Not in the tray, not in the tray. Okay, the turning radius is really very slow, but this thing is amazingly stable and super easy to fly. Whoa, nice, man. It doesn't stall actually. Awesome. The stabilization system is really nice. Flies really nice and stable. That's what we like to see. Is it user friendly or not? I don't know if it has a trimmer or not, because the nose always goes down. Apart from that, it's flying superb. Sounds like two mosquitoes are actually fighting. Can we pull high alpha? Let's see. Yeah, baby. Yeah, we are pulling high alpha. We are pulling high alpha here. That was nice. Yeah, it is the way it's flying really nice and stable with its built-in stabilization system. So it does have the, you know, stable flight for beginners. That's what beginners are looking for. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna land it and see why it's always nosedives. Oh, okay, it nosedived because low throttle. On higher throttle, it doesn't nosedive that quick. Nice. So far so good. You're flying still without stalling it. It does bring you some joy and fun of flying. And it's handling mild winds as well, which is nice. Okay, I found a way to turn it real fast. One moment. You just turn it and use some of the elevator, but its right turn is really big radius, while left turn you can see how quick I can make turn on the left side. I can probably hold it in my hand as well. For RC jet lovers who don't want to buy a, you know, expensive jets, they just want to have fun, and especially beginners, this is really nice and fun plane. Alright, let's see if we can land it properly or not. Alright, so throttle a little bit up, pull some high alpha, and smooth landing, baby. We saw the takeoff from the ground. Let's see if we can take off from hand launch. All right, so here we go. Okay, that was even easier than I thought or expected. All right. No, that button doesn't do anything. So how do you do 360 flip? Oh, okay, manually, just like that. So just pull the elevator up, but make sure you pick up some speed before you do that. So I'm gonna do it right in front of me, like that. That was the only aerobatic possible with this plane, I believe, and I did that. Man, this is absolutely a joy to fly. Apart from this dreaded big radius thingy for the turn, wish they could give more differential thrust. Okay, what's happening? It did itself. If they gave bigger differential thrust, that could have been really nice. But man, the way it flies, I simply love it. I mean, I don't mind if it flies slow, and I mean the big rudder radius. The way it flies, nice and good, and the battery time, operating times, flight times. You can land it in your hand and throw from hand. I mean, this is really nice, and basically beginner friendly. Let me take off again from the ground. I like to take off from ground. It is definitely beginner friendly. All you need to do is increase the throttle, full throttle, pull up a little bit on the elevator, and see it go. And after that, make turn, making sure you keep a little bit of elevator up so you don't, nosedive. Beautiful, man. beautiful. See the way it turned left that way? I really like it to turn that way. And nice. One more. That was nice. So now I learned to do aerobatics. This is nice. Just pull the elevator and it should do the job. Nice. And one more thing that you want to notice is there is a soft rubber in the front, and basically this is EPP material, so you shouldn't be worried about crashes. I mean, really shouldn't worry about crashes. I'm kind of having fun with this kind of toy grade 2-channel RC airplane. Well, I shouldn't call it toy grade, it's an insult. It has a built-in stabilization system, differential thrust. This is proper hobby grade mini RC J11, man. Sweet, very nice flyer. And man, plenty of battery time too. It's still flying. I actually brought lots of batteries, 3 or 4 batteries, to see how much fun I can have with. So there you have it, a real fun little plane to fly, the J11 jet, and totally beginner friendly, crash resistant too. Until then, man, absolutely a joy to fly. XK A100, that's the model number, but this basically is a J11 jet. Enjoy, and I think it's time we assemble the little Predator, which is a similar thing with differential thrust, built-in stabilization system, and see how it flies. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.